and welcome coin engineers. In today's video, we will discuss and learn about Boss Fighters, which is a VR and PC game with token and NFT integrations. Before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get priceless contents for free that we share every day. Also, you can check out our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. Let's not keep you waiting anymore. If you're ready, let's start. Since ancient Rome, ordinary residents enjoyed fierce battles inside the Colosseum. The show starts where infamous gladiators battling for their lives, freedom and glory in front of an ecstatic audience. It is now the 21st century. Millennia have passed and the world has changed. But the thirst for spectacles has not gone away. Boss Fighters is the most popular show on the planet now. Colosseum 2.0, where reckless fighters have to battle neither with each other but against a colossal boss. It's the world's first VR and PC action game with digital assets. You can play the game as a VR boss or fight against it on PC. Hop onto free-to-play battles as boss or fighter to become a futuristic superstar gladiator, to get valuable items, skins, and other rewards. Boss Fighters is a VR and PC multiplayer action game where a VR player takes the role of the powerful boss monster while PC players team up against the boss. All battle spectators' amusement, ranks, and valuable loot. Physics-based VR players' gameplay, the sense of the scale and power while controlling the giant boss is set against the teamwork, cunning, and agility of the PC player's team. The game is free to play, so almost all items can be received for gameplay activities or bought with the in-game currency. However, players who wish to embrace the advantages of blockchain technology can expand their success and compete for larger prize pools. The game is being developed on the Unreal Engine and powered by the Solana. Now that we are talking about the VR feature, let's see the VR statistics. In the recent years, the use of VR in games has increased parabolically. As seen from the graphics on the screen, that headset sales are increasing worldwide. According to the data from Steam, the number of games played with VR increased exponentially over the years. The Boss Fighters team tried to close the gap between VR, PC players, and blockchain enthusiasts by providing unique benefits and experiences for each audience. The Boss Fighters game supports user-generated content. The community can monetize their creations such as game mods, cosmetic items, and maps using blockchain and in-game digital assets marketplace. In Boss Fighters, VR players are handsomely rewarded with tokens and NFTs for playing as the boss. It's the first game that rewards VR players for being active and participating in action-packed fights. VR gameplay activities cannot be faked by bots and are transparently tracked via blockchain since players have to interact with the environment with the headset and controllers using full body motions. Boss Fighters' reward system is heavily focused on VR player retention. In Boss Fighters, both players and viewers support each other by using Twitch API, running streams, and spectating battles. Viewers can join streams to spectate and even participate in ongoing battles via chat commands. The more spectators players can get on a stream, the better rewards both parties gain. This system is designed to bring users that can't or don't want to play the actual game but still want to participate in the ecosystem. Boss Fighters brings fun gaming experience to blockchain. The gameplay mechanics and visuals are designed to create a cohesive and fun gaming experience, which is a spectacle in itself. So people will start sharing footage on social media such as Twitch and TikTok. Boss Fighters metagame is represented by two types of assets, off-chain and on-chain assets. Players, both VR boss and PC fighters, have only a limited inventory space to store battle rewards. In addition, the inventory gets wiped on a season reset. To keep rewards through seasons, maintain ownership, and expand inventory, a player has an option to convert the item into a digital asset using blockchain. Converted assets are stored on the blockchain in the user's wallet and do not get wiped on season reset. Only these assets can be traded on the marketplace, thus enabling potential profit-taking strategies. The system is still work in progress and designed to ensure scarcity of digital assets. create drivers for the value of digital assets, and simultaneously allow all types of players to access content on the same fair basis. In boss fighters, blockchain features are optional and do not handicap free-to-play users. Every new or existing project in the business world needs sustainable income stream planning. When users sell their earned tokens, boss fighters will repurchase and burn these tokens. Thus, boss fighters will create a sustainable economic model. In addition, users can be active on Web 2 or Web 3, whichever they wish. Boss fighters inspire confidence with the features it offers in its revenue stream. Boss Fighters is developed for a wide range of distribution platforms. Initially, Boss Fighters will be on Steam. Later on, Epic Games, Google Play Store, Apple Store, and Oculus will follow. This will be a great way to build a community for the blockchain project. In other words, this project will merge the classic Web 2 market and Web 3. Now let's take a look at the roadmap. At this moment, the playable builds of Boss Fighters are being tested, and their controls, combat mechanics, and other core features are solidified. The Boss Fighters has been in development for several months already, so what you see in the announcement teaser is a real gameplay footage utilizing dropped visual assets. The team previously shared that they are also working on mobile game versions. Although no exact date has been given for this yet, Boss Fighters will continue to focus on the game after IDO. Now let's talk about the team. Pixword Games describes itself as a game development studio founded by a team of professionals, where they bring together world-class artists, designers, and combat veteran developers to create groundbreaking, innovative VR games. The team members have big games and VR development expertise and worked in major renowned studios worldwide on several AAA games titles and many other projects. They are highly proficient with cutting-edge industry tools like Unreal Engine, virtual reality development, and CG creative software. In 2020, the VR development team became an Epic Mega Grant recipient for enterprise VR applications development. Now it's time for the investors and partners. Let's look at the investors and partners of the project. Although Boss Fighters deserves a limited percentage for large investors at the seed stage, it has already been funded by some capital management firms. At the same time, Solana supports the project in matters such as NFT transfers and fast transactions. In addition, the team has signed with the world's leading gaming guilds. Let's move on to the token economics. One of the features that make Boss Fighters attractive is the unique token economics. All the token economics planning will minimize sales pressure and maximize token usage. Initial market value kept below $200,000 and the percentages allocated for the project, such as team and operations, are locked for a minimum of 12 months. If they will be successful to combine Web 2 and Web 3 players together, the token may make bullish moves in the future. A fully diluted valuation is only $7.5 million, which makes the current token sale price undervalued. The team designed the token economy entirely according to the bear market. No one knows how successful it will be in the long run, but the team tried to do their best. Boss Fighters has 27,000 followers on Twitter, 10,000 on Discord, and around 10,000 followers on Telegram. After the game is activated, the team will focus more on the community side with various activities. Since it's a game project, they can quickly attract attention with different awards and activities. However, the main advantage of Boss Fighters in the social media is the watch turn system. With this advantage, they can reach many more people quickly. And in the Magic Eden, when you write to the search bar Boss Fighters, you can see their NFT collection. There are 2,000 NFTs in this collection right now, and the floor price is 0.6 Solanas. I will leave this link in the descriptions of this video. Through that link, you can reach this website and check out all those NFTs. When you click the details button on one of those NFTs, you can open that NFT's details, and as you can see, all those NFTs have different traits with different rarities. You can see their traits and the rarities of those traits easily in this page. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in order to get our content that we share every day. See you in our next video.